Toyota is a household name. It is synonymous with reliability. It is a byword for quality. The company has a long and storied history. It rose from humble beginnings and became a global automotive powerhouse. Toyota's journey is a fascinating one. It is a story of innovation, resilience, and success. Toyota's impact on the automotive industry is undeniable. The company has consistently set new standards, achieved excellence in manufacturing, and prioritized customer satisfaction. Toyota's vehicles are renowned worldwide. People admire them for their durability, reliability, and resale value. Toyota's success is not accidental. It is the result of a relentless pursuit of improvement. This is deeply ingrained in the company's culture and is evident in its manufacturing processes and customer service. Toyota's story offers valuable lessons for businesses of all sizes and individuals striving for greatness. Toyota's story began in a small Japanese village. Sakichi Toyoda, a skilled inventor, founded the company in 1937. At the time, it wasn't even called Toyota. It was called Toyota Automatic Loom Works. The company manufactured automatic looms, which revolutionized textile production. Sakichi Toyoda's son, Kichiro Toyoda, had a different vision. He saw the potential of automobiles and believed in their transformative power. He convinced his father to let him establish an automobile department within Toyota Automatic Loom Works. The first Toyota car, the Model AA, debuted in 1936. It resembled the popular Chevrolet models of the time and was a testament to the company's commitment to learning, adapting, and innovating. Toyota's rise to prominence was not without obstacles. The company faced numerous challenges. Post-war Japan was economically devastated, resources were scarce, and competition was fierce. Toyota had to find a better way to produce high-quality cars efficiently and affordably. The answer lay in a revolutionary manufacturing philosophy known as the Toyota Production System, or TPS. TPS, also known as lean manufacturing, emphasized eliminating waste, continuous improvement, and respect for people. TPS transformed Toyota's operations and became a model for manufacturers worldwide. Section 4. Conquering the world, one car at a time. Armed with TPS, Toyota embarked on a global expansion. The company entered the American market in 1957. Its initial foray was modest. It introduced the Toyota Crown. It was a small, economical sedan. It was designed to appeal to American consumers. Toyota's reputation for quality and reliability grew. The company introduced new models. These models catered to a wide range of customers. The Corolla, launched in 1966, became a global bestseller. The Camry, introduced in 1982, solidified Toyota's position. It was a leader in the mid-size sedan market. Section 5. Steering through challenges. Toyota's journey has not been without its bumps in the road. The company has faced numerous challenges. The 1973 oil crisis tested its resilience. The company responded by developing fuel-efficient vehicles. This resonated with consumers. Recessions and economic downturns impacted sales. Toyota weathered these storms. It did this through a combination of cost-cutting measures. It maintained a focus on long-term growth. In the late 2000s, Toyota faced a major crisis. There were highly publicized vehicle recalls. These recalls tarnished the company's reputation. They shook consumer confidence. Toyota took swift action. The company issued a sincere apology. It implemented rigorous safety checks. It pledged to regain the trust of its customers. Toyota's ability to overcome these challenges is a testament to its core values. The company is committed to continuous improvement. It is dedicated to customer satisfaction. It has a strong sense of social responsibility.